Okay. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
we
we
can
can
see
see
it.
it.
Okay, thank you very much. So thank you very very much everyone. So today day 4 of our introduction to blockchain. We are going a bit deeper, but it's today. Don't be scared because maybe you look at it that, oh, okay, we'll be talking about smart contract and decentralized application, which is DApp. We are not going to write any code here. We are just going to explain what smart contract is, the decentralized application, example of a smart contract, what smart contract does, what are some of the example of decentralized, and where will you deploy a decentralized application. How do decentralized application become different from the other traditional application, right? So we will be looking at that. So yes, smart contract and decentralized application DApps. So what are smart contract, right? So based on the definition that I put down here, a smart contract is a self-executing contract where the terms of the agreement are directly written in codes, right? So in house rent agreement are written in papers, right? So whereby two parties sign. But here in smart contract, these agreement are written a code and decoded in a code. So this contract run on a blockchain network. They only run on a blockchain network, right? And we give some example of different blockchain network like Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, um, Avalanche, and the rest of them. So network automatically enforce and execute terms where predefined conditions are met. So what are the key characteristics of this smart contract? We said they are self-executing, whereby once they validate and they find out that yes, this particular um, uh, is meet the requirement on this based on the contract written, it validate and approve it. So they are self-executing, automatically execute terms when conditions are met. Immutability, so they are immutable in the sense that once they are deployed, the code cannot be altered. So unlike other code whereby an admin can decide to change something at any time, but in smart contract, such things cannot happen. Once deployed on the network, it cannot be altered. They are decentralized. They operate on the blockchain without reliance on the intermediary, whereby they operate alone without the need of anybody, right? Then the transparency, codes are and transactions are visible on the blockchain for auditing. Trustless, they remove the need for trust between parties. The code itself enforces compliance. So how smart contract work in this place? Condition or terms are coded into the smart contract. So when writing this smart contract, engineers sat down, understand the condition, and uh, drop all that is required to be encoded in this contract. Once they are encoded on that contract, it functions as required. So the contract is deployed into a blockchain network. Good example is Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Polygon. These are good example of blockchain network. When inputs met the predefined condition, the contract executes its program outcome automatically. So good example is a rent agreement. like I used to say, which I like to talking about, giving it an example, which is one of the easiest example to relate with. So when a tenant want to rent a house from a landlord will provide an agreement that, okay, this is my house, this is what I want you to do on this my particular house. Yeah, someone's hands is up. How can I help you?
Please, you've not sent the attendance link.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much for that reminder. Okay, the link is now. Did you guys see the link? Can you see the link?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, a rent agreement, a tenant and a landlord agreed on a smart contract, right? The tenant pays rent, and the smart contract automatically release the access to the property. So, this is in a contract. But in a normal agreement between a landlord and a tenant, once the tenant make payment and all the agreement is made, landlord issue the tenant access to the key to the house, right? So from that particular day until the day the tenant's tenure expire and he did not pay, that's when landlord has right to enter to have access to that particular apartment. Did you guys understand? So features and use cases. Yeah. Features and use cases of smart contract. Some of the good features are automation. They reduce the need for manual processing or intermediary. When explaining about the example of a contract that happened, right? There was a time whereby everything happened manually. Two people has to meet and agree, talk, discuss, do up and down. But in smart contract, that thing does not happen. Everything happen automatically without the need of anybody there. So security, cryptographic encryption ensure data's integrity and prevent tampering. Then cost efficiency, it reduces transaction cost by eliminating middlemen. So once in the manual way for house rent, we have agents, we have whatever. So here, once everything is automated and built on the smart contract, there will be no need for agent to happen, no any other thing. Once agreed on 5 naira, you pay your 5 naira, and then the smart contract executed automatically and grant you access. Speed, process of transaction are faster than traditional system. So we remember when the days where it take days before you receive money offshore. Let's say you receive money outside where I am currently in Nigeria. So now it doesn't, it takes seconds to get your money, the person sending to send, and without the thinking of going to the bank, filling a lot of forms, right? Use cases of smart contract. Good example is in finance, which is decentralized finance. This solved the issue of peer-to-peer lending by creating peer-to-peer lending platforms, automated trading on decentralized exchange like DEX. Then insurance, claim automation based on verified triggers. Example is weather data for crop insurance. So let's say if you build a system whereby it's help you to monitor the moisture content on that particular soil. The system automatically give you data of about what is actually happening. This is the right time to plan your seed and do whatever you want to do, right? So in supply chain, good example is in supply chain. It's help you track track record of goods from origin to delivery. So in the sense that blockchain solution can be built and can be built and then tagged to IoTs, whereby, let's say in a warehouse, whereby there will be required for manual, whatever, everything from counting to every single thing. So at this, there will be a lot high of this. But once we have a automated system in this for supply chain, it help you track from a delivery to every single stage. It get payment and everything, reduce mass number of labors in that space. Digital identity. A good example is your digital ID card or your digital passport, right? So in a space whereby, let's say, Nigerian government has changed, allowed that international passport or national ID card should be built on a blockchain network, right? So once every data that is being added on that network will not be changed, in the sense that it reduces the ability for people forging those kind of data at every time, right? Is a good example also is in gaming. It's handle in-game asset ownership and reward. Hope you guys are with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Carry on.
All right, thank you. So, introduction to decentralized application, that's DApp. So, decentralized application are software application that run on blockchain network. Unlike traditional application, whereby this traditional application, they run on servers, right? So like Facebook, good example is Facebook or Google. Google application are run on top Google servers. So anytime there's issue with those servers, Google application goes down. But in their decentralized application, these applications are run on the blockchain network, and this blockchain network are run on top multiple thousand millions of computers all over the world. So in the sense that whereby the computer or the server A has issue, your system, nothing will happen to your system. Even if 500 servers has issue, your system will still continue to run without any issue. The reason being that you still have all your data up and running in other servers. So they are decentralized, meaning they don't rely on a central server but operate on a peer-to-peer blockchain infrastructure, right? Peer-to-peer, we talk about peer-to-peer agreement between two different parties. So now peer-to-peer infrastructure. So when I was let me see if we can see. Yeah, let me see.
You're not sharing your screen, no.
Check your network.
The screen is shared. It's your network. You can log out and come in back.
David, bari zan kira ka. Kaji? Okay, thank you for that. So I think it's a network that has been the issue, right? So characteristic of decentralized application, that's they decentralization, they run on distributed networks, blockchain network. They are open source in the sense that application codes are accessible and can be contributed by anyone. Even you can contribute to Ethereum, right? You can go to the Ethereum source code and look at it. Maybe when you look at Ethereum and see something, you feel, oh, if I add this thing need to be added, that's why it's open source. Tokenization. Many dApps are used as a currency for operating or governance. Then blockchain-based data and transactions are stored on the blockchains, ensuring security and transparency. How these dApps work, right? So they work like normal or like any other application or any other software, like your mobile app, like this Google Meet we are using. They have front end, they have back end, they have every other this thing, right? So it's not that you are going to build another something big somewhere different. No, they have all these things. So similarity to, they are similar to the traditional application, but just that their standard of programming language is almost the same thing in the front end, because they uses the same HTML, React, TypeScript, and JavaScript in building their front end. While in back end, they are powered by the smart contract and the blockchain network. So the major area when building the app is your smart contract and the network of blockchain you are deploying it, your application on. So good example of this network are Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, Polygon, Avalanche, and the rest of them. Name as much as you can. So interaction, the users connect to their dApp via wallets, right? Good example is MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, and the rest of them to interact with the smart contract. So example of application are DeFi, NFT, and the supply chain solution. So decentralized application, am I fast? Okay.
Yes, sir. Go, sir.
Okay.
It's fine, sir.
Okay. So decentralized application, a finance ecosystem offering lending, borrowing, trading, and other financial services direct on the blockchain. Good example is Aave. Aave is mainly for lending and borrowing platform. Uniswap is for decentralized exchange for trading cryptocurrency. Then MakerDAO for your stable coin that's DAI backed by the smart contract. So for non-fungible token NFT, they are unique digital asset stored on the blockchain representing ownership of items like art, music, video, houses, whatever you think, you can name them. Good example is OpenSea, which is a marketplace for trading NFT. If you want to buy your Boeb NFT, you go to OpenSea, you buy it. You go to Reliable, you go to different trading platform for NFT. Anxiety, Asia Infinity, blockchain-based gaming game utilizing NFT. NBA Top Shoot, these are digital collectible for basketball highlight. So supply chain solution, these track product from origin to consumer using the blockchain to ensure transparency and accountability. Good example is the IBM Food Trust. The IBM Food Trust enhance food safety by tracing food origin. Then we'll talk about TradeLens. It's a blockchain enabling platform for shipping and logistics. Proofnance track sustainability and ethical sourcing in supply chain. So this is you look at it, we have discussed almost everything you need to understand. Oh, okay, so that when you are hearing something, you know where this one lay on, right? So maybe today if somebody see you and asks you your Binance, what does Binance do? You know that Binance is for trading, right? For cryptocurrency trading, buying and selling of different currencies on the Binance network. So yes, I think we are done for tonight class. Not for tonight class, but what we need to do next is I want us to see how we can create a simple wallet. Okay, let me let's go to MetaMask. Do we have any question? MetaMask wallet. You guys can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, your MetaMask, you click on this first one. So because like we explained, your MetaMask wallets are what you use in interacting with your cryptocurrency, right? Here, interaction, users connect to your dApp using wallet. My network is very, very slow today. God help me. Father help. Okay, let me open. I just want to open a OpenSea. So you can see some example of application, decentralized application. We have Uniswap, we have Pancake Swap, we have Compound, we have Asia Infinity, we have 1inch, we have Decentraland, we have OpenSea, we have Aave, we have Gaming. Right? MetaMask, why now? I think my network is very bad though.
And MetaMask, no, I don't know. It's kind of heavy. It's kind of slow.
I've not even downloaded so it's just becoming very slow. I think the network also has its own issue. So I just want us to create a fresh one so that like people that have never created or have not seen, then they will see what we've been talking about. Let me see whether if Phantom.
Sir, please, I using MetaMask because I'm downloading it now.
Is it? Yeah.
I used to using MetaMask.
Yeah, for demonstration, right? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if MetaMask did not, once Phantom does, we are going to use Phantom to explain this because I can see Phantom is almost opening. MetaMask is still here. How? MetaMask, why now? Phantom 2. So these are, like I said, these are some good example of decentralized applications as we can see them here. We have Pancake, Uniswap, OpenSea, Aave, Compound, Upland, 1inch, and so on and so forth. There are many. Okay. Now, if you are downloading, when you want to set up your wallet, first thing what you need to do, it will give you this particular page. From this page, you scroll down. You understand? So after we register, we are going to get this thing. This is how our wallet will look like. So you scroll down, depending on the kind of browser you are using. So you download it.
Sir, please, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Will it
show the same like the same starting background in MetaMask.
Like how?
Like,
Do you want me to give you
like how
access
we
so that you
can
can share? Okay, wait. Let's create this on the Phantom. I'll explain. It's almost the same thing. Then maybe you can share your screen sharp. So first thing first, you install the package, right? So now it will download because we are going to install an extension, Chrome extension for the wallet. Oh, wow. What happened now? Network. It's still loading. So this particular place that is saying add to Chrome will turn a hair. You see, then I'll click on it. MetaMask say I will not add to extension. It's different when you are using mobile, when you are using your phone. If you are using your phone, you just go to your Play Store, download it, or you go to your whatever type of phone you're using, you download it there. So for MetaMask, get MetaMask. We can do all both for Phantom and for the MetaMask. The same thing is we are adding it because it's extension we are going to be installing. Okay. Someone's mic is on.
sorry, I'm opening it now.
All right. My network is very, very low that bad today. Just downloading 12 MB. What? MTN, why now?
I said I wanted sharing a screenshot of something in the group, but up to now we cannot send file.
What happened? You can send file now. Everybody is sending file on the group. Am I right? Am I the only person? Is he the only person experiencing that? Can someone respond? Is he the only person experiencing that he cannot send file? Because somebody in charge of that is here and can respond to that. So I want to be sure.
Yes, sir, he's saying it. There's no the one we're not allowed to send file.
This evening,
Yes, sir, right now, we can't send any file.
no problem. That one will be sorted.
Yes, sir. Same file.
Okay, no problem.
Because I was done with the creation of the wallet on mobile phone. So I wanted sharing the picture of the thing, the group.
That means they've closed the submission for that since yesterday. What happened?
No. I mean this particular MetaMask. I'm
Oh,
done with the
okay.
creating of the wallet.
Okay, send it
So
to
I wanted
my
sharing the
send to my DM.
structure.
Send to my DM.
Okay.
It's almost downloading. Just we have some. Yeah, the MetaMask is finishing. Even the Phantom is finishing. So wow, this network. What's happening? What's going on? Ah, it's downloaded now. It's installing, right? So okay. You say you finished creating your wallet.
I'll send it to your DM.
Okay. Did you copy? Did you write down the 12 key phrase somewhere? I don't think you've done that, right?
No. I've done that. So my wallet was there already. I just recovered it. Everything was there.
Oh, you
So it
just
will
log
while
in. You log into your
yes,
wallet.
yes.
Oh,
So
okay, I understand now.
I was having yes.
Oh, I thought you install new one. That's why.
No, sir. I have it already.
Okay.
So I'm done downloading both of them. What is the next step?
Okay. You've done downloading. So just give us a second. Let me.
Yes, sir. Booking, I'm done downloading.
Yeah. Let this thing come up so that you will do the creation of new wallet together, so that everybody will be able to see how this thing is done. Right? Wow. Wow. Network. Why? Why? What's wrong with me?
Sir, please, I've downloaded my Phantom and MetaMask. I've opened the MetaMask, but I'm trying to open my Phantom. It's not giving me this news. Just look at the place where it told me to write my password, and create password is no more trying to press. Please, I hope that
You click on create new wallet, right? Or what did you do? Can you hear me?
yes, I did that. Yes, I clicked on create new wallet. Yes.
Okay. On that create new wallet, after that, what did they ask you to do? Have you put your password?
They now said I should put my password.
Yes, put your password. It will ask when you put first time, it will ask you to repeat it again to confirm. Have you done that?
Is what I'm doing, sir.
My network today says I will not do any practical something. Have you guys hacked my network?
No, sir.
You
Because
guys,
it's like there are some cybersecurity guys here. So
you
please,
guys should say the truth. You guys have hacked my.
Please,
Maybe the person did not submit assignment.
please, I've done it on the MetaMask, but it's not still showing me. It's not still showing me. It's just you wrote a place create password, and the place is not allowing to press.
Forget password.
No, create password. Create password.
Okay, so
Is the button is full to press.
okay, don't worry. Now we are here. My own has been downloaded, so let me open my MetaMask too. Okay, yes, so now we are here. He said I should agree, right? Let's start. Trust by millions. MetaMask is a secure wallet making the world of Web3 accessible to everyone, right? So the next what we need to do, we need to agree with the time and condition. Then we click on create wallet, right? So first, to help us improve everything, you need to agree with all the time and condition. Private, click, general, optional. Then we agreed here, right? We will use this data to learn how to interact with our marketing communication. No need. Then, no thanks. I agreed. So now, password. We put any password, right? I'm inputting my password. If you like, hack this account. Is your own business. Do you understand? I'll still show you the password. Can you see it? Because I'll not put
yes, sir.
I'll not put anything inside.
Yes, sir.
But when creating your own, don't show anybody. Oh. Do you understand? Did you guys
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now the password is the same thing. So I understand. Then create wallet. So now it's telling you secure wallet, whatever. Scroll down. Then secure wallet recommended is that this. Then secure wallet to click on this. Now you see, write down your secret recovery key phrase. This 12 word. This is the 12 word.
Sir, please, sir, please want to ask a question.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
finished putting the two password. I finished putting the two password. The place you chose create password. That place is not still allowing me to tap. It's just free. It's not. I'm tapping that place and nothing is happening.
But
Okay.
you're right. I feel like you should hold on a little bit because the MetaMask is kind of slow. So if you are doing it on mobile, you have to.
Okay, so
Okay.
this 12 key phrase, you write them down, because before we complete, they will ask us to put some information from here. So I will take my time to write them so that I will not forget. First one is pony, all small letters. Then we have flock. We have amuse. Then we have when. We have mom. We have stereo. We have flush. We have soul. We have ecology. We have virus. We have swim. We have suggest. So now we have all our 12 key phrase. If I click next, so now it's asking me to input all these place. The first one is what? Amuse. The number 4 is when. Once if I put those three, they ask me correct. That's all. Soul. You notice that because I confirm correct, that shows that I've written it down somewhere. So they give me opportunity to continue, right? So I click continue. Now they say congratulations, your wallet is being protected and ready to be used. You can find your secret recovery phrase in setting here, this, that, right? So we click on done. All this we don't need. Connecting our wallet to the mainnet network. But our wallet has been created. So this is the, yes, this is our wallet. We don't have shishi inside. We don't have anything. We don't have any amount inside. $0. But you can send me some. Let me drop the wallet on the chat so that you people will send me money. I need to go home with money today. Right? So that's the address. This is your public key. What did I say? This is your public key. Yes, this is the public key. This is the one you can send to anybody to send you phone, token, be it whatever. So now,
So please, can I use Phantom to do this you're doing now? Can I use Phantom to do this you're doing now? My Phantom was already loaded.
Yes. Creating phantom is the same
Well,
thing. So now, okay, wait, don't rush. Understand this one. When you understand this, when you are doing, you can create any wallet. The most important thing
okay,
is
sir.
get those concepts, get those area that is more sensitive that when creating you won't forget. Do you
Sir,
understand?
please move back. Sir, could you start from the beginning
Start what
on
again?
creating the wallet?
We cannot. That means you want us to create new wallet. We've already created this wallet. I'll share the video.
Okay.
There's recording. You can go through it again, right? So if we click here, this we are in the mainnet network, right? So if you look at it here, we have Ethereum mainnet, we have linear mainnet. We can add Arbitrum, we can add Avalanche, we can add Base, we can add Binance Chain, we can add Optimism Mainnet, we can add ZK Era, we can add Polygon, right? So what I want to do, I want to activate our so that I will show us our this thing, our testnet. So here you click on setting, go to advanced. No, let me go back. So show testnet, you own this button. Do you understand? You have Sefolia and linear Sefolia. So all this one, if I want to add this zkSync, approve. It has been added. Now I have zkSync. Now, reason why I'm saying this same address, you can send it to anybody sending you phone from this network or this network or the Ethereum network itself. If we add Avalanche chain, the same thing. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's what the advantage. So anytime, all you need to do, you have a phone. So if I have $10 in my Ethereum mainnet inside the same this address, when I change the network to linear, I will have 0. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So good
Yes,
example,
sir.
good example is, let me use banks. You have one account number, but you can use that same account number and receive money from different banks. Just an example, but don't see it as a bank, because bank is not a blockchain, it's not built on blockchain. So I hope you guys understand this, because I don't want what happened the last time to happen again. Let me quickly join on my phone. Did you
Yes,
people?
sir.
Did you? Yes. Okay.
Please help me to turn your network to Ethereum, maybe testnet. There's this testnet token. I will try to send it if it's
Okay. You want to send me some testnet, right? Is this
yes, Ethereum.
Sefolia, right? Yes, Ethereum is Sefolia.
No, Ethereum.
Ethereum
Yes,
is,
I have Ethereum.
there is no Ethereum as this.
Testnet token.
Yeah, testnet token. See it here. That's for Ethereum.
Yeah.
So I'll use that same address.
Yes.
I'll send it again
Okay.
so that people will see it. Yes. Send it to this particular address. Send it so that we will see how you can view it. But the money is not due. You see people that are generous, they want to send me money.
But sir, it's not real money now. It's
No
just little money.
problem, but at least you have the generosity. You have the good mind to send me money.
Okay, sir.
Have you sent it?
About to.
So yes, then if you want to get some faucet, that's if you want to get some of those testnet token. You've not sent it up to now. Bros, you are scam me. I know you. Yeah, I know you want to send it. Don't worry, just send it.
Yeah, I want to send you BNB worth of $2.
BNB.
Yeah, worth of $2.
But would
Rich man. Sir,
Not
this is
Testnet
better.
though.
Yes.
Testnet too.
Yes, send it. Wait, let me add. Wait now, let me add BNB now.
Are you using this address or you are